May natanggap akong sulat mula sa Municipality of Bagabag. Francis Leo Antonio Marcos. Sabi niya, asahin ko na lang. Alright. May natanggap po akong sulat mula sa Office of the Local Chief Executive, Municipality of Bagabag. Bagabag ba to? Malabo dong eh. Sabi niya, Francis Leo Antonio Marcos, wala man lang hon, wala man lang PhD. Basta na lang maka Francis Leo Antonio Marcos to ah. Ha? Lupit ah. Pag-iisipan ko ngayon to. Sabi niya, Sir, Pax et Bonum. Ibig sabihin, greetings. Latin pa yung ginamit na salita. Pax et Bonum. Okay. We at the local government unit of Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya is planning to conduct a medical dental mission as one of the activity in our upcoming town and patronal fiesta on September 29, 2024. The medical mission is for the benefit of our less fortunate and elderly constituent who are living below poverty line and has no financial capability for medical and dental care. In light of the foregoing and considering your benevolence, the undersigned seek your assistance in the form of free medicine, medical kit, and any other form of assistance that you could provide to make the medical dental mission success. Okay? We look forward to a fruitful and lasting partnership with you. O ba? Matibay ah. Humbly and passionately with you in helping build a healthier nation for our people. Yun naman pala, may respectfully yours naman. Benigno P. Calawad, Municipal Mayor. Kumakatay ilong ko. Kumakatay ilong ko pag maraming nahingi ah.
May namatay na yung chick boss.
Medicine? Medical kit? Tayo dyan. Hindi pa kaya ito ng ano? Hindi pa ito kaya ng PCSO tsaka ng ano? Ng Red Cross? O baka hindi pinapansin ng PCSO at Red Cross o matagal ang action dun. Paikot-ikot. Yan. Tinatanong ko kung hindi pa ito kaya ng PCSO o kaya ng Red Cross. Maraming dadaanan kaya ano? Matagal ang aksyon. Ako kasi oo, hindi eh.
Dalaw lang po pamimilian.
Wala namang pamimilian sa akin eh. Pag inuuhan ko, oo na yun. Pag hinindihan ko, hindi yun. Anyway, to Mayor Benigno P. Calawad, ano nakarating tong sulat na to sa akin?
Bayatan.
Sino? Francis Bayatan? Well, the letter is formal and it's still in September 29 and I think we might grant this informality. Mga kapatid, para maniwala kayo, may sulat to yung local government ng local Office of the Local Chief Executive, Office of the Mayor yan. Bagabag.
Nueva Vizcaya?
Nueva Vizcaya. The letter is, well, considering, but when I read the word people living below poverty line, my heart is paper. Nare-disconnect ako. Yes. And ask the number of the mayor, then I will call him. Absolutely. When I heard the word people living below poverty line and elderly, I have no question and I have no doubt of helping them. Okay. September pa yan, so sige, grant pa natin yan. Yep. So, yun lang.
Boss.
Binahagi ko lang. Sino yan?
Mayor.
Damn, alright. Sige, tawagan natin yung mayor. 09.
09.
Huwag ka may nga. Hindi, pabasa mo sa akin. Namatay. Sige, tawagan natin yung mayor. Tinatawagan ko yung mayor. Confirm ko lang kung totoo yung sulat. Ay, sumagot ni mayor. Malas niya. Okay. Isang tawag pa. In the benefit of the doubt, alam nyo, kasi ako, pagka ganyang pinag-usapan na below poverty line talaga, local chief executive yan, alam niya talaga kung sino yung mahirap sa kanila. Wala na ako akong kontra dyan. Tutulungan ko talaga yan. Yung mga nagpapaista raw, mamaya ako na kayo babasahin. For the last time, I'm gonna call him up. Mamaya na ako magsha-shoutout. Sandali lang. Tapusin ko lang to. Alright. Sorry, Mayor. I tried to reach you out, but you never answered the phone. So, better luck next time. Anyway, you know, at may dumating na nasulat sa akin from